Is your Subaru Forester key fob not working reliably? The most common culprit is a dead battery. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2016-2023 Subaru Forester key fob. A simple DIY task that saves you time and money compared to a dealership visit. Typically, the battery lasts 1 to 2 years. The 2016-2023 Subaru Forester key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These batteries are widely available at most hardware stores and cost only a few dollars. Subaru recommends using a brand name battery like Energizer or Duracell for optimal reliability and lifespan. Make sure to check the expiration date. You'll only need 1 or 2 simple tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. A plastic tool is preferable to avoid scratching the fob casing. That's all you need. There is no soldering or programming required. It is a plug-and-play install. First, remove the key fob from your keyring. Locate the small notch or seam on the back of the fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch. Gently twist the tool to separate the two halves of the fob casing. Be careful not to force it, as this could damage the plastic. With the fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a metal clip or spring. Use your screwdriver to gently lift the battery out. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side is usually facing up. This is important when installing the new battery. With the old battery removed, place the new CR2032 battery into the fob. Ensure the positive plus side faces the same direction as the old battery. Position the battery correctly in the compartment. Press down on the battery until it snaps securely into place under the metal clip or spring. A secure fit is essential for proper contact. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Ensure they are firmly closed. Now, test the fob by pressing the buttons. The indicator light on the fob should illuminate, and your car should respond when in range. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the battery is making good contact. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, consult your Subaru Forester owner's manual for reprogramming instructions. Some models may require a simple ignition cycling procedure, found on page 2 to 10 in 2016-2020 models. Remember to properly dispose of the old CR2032 battery at a recycling center. In humid climates, condensation can shorten battery life, so consider checking the battery more frequently. Consider replacing the battery every 1 to 2 years.